Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to check your CPU temperature on your Windows 10. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, to check your CPU temperature in your Windows 10, simply follow my steps. First of all, we have here a free tool, the Open Hardware Monitor. So as you can see, Open Hardware Monitor is a free open source software that monitors temperature, sensors, fan speeds, voltage, load and the clock speeds of a computer. So simply guys, click on the button here, download Open Hardware Monitor. Okay, download now. Okay, let's set the destination, save, start download. Okay, that's it. Close. As you can see, file, that's it. Now I will extract this RAR file. Okay, double click. Okay, let's run this tool. That's it guys, as you can see here. Okay, my old hardware. Let's check my CPU, Intel Core i7. Okay, Core i1. Here the bus speed and here the temperatures. As you can see, the Core 1 62, okay, Core 6 61 or 66. So as you can see here, the value and the max. That's it guys, as you can see. Also we have the VGA, the load for the GPU for this VGA, also the temperature of your hard disk. Okay, and also the second hard disk. I have two hard disk, SSD hard disk, as you can see here. Okay, that's it guys, it's so easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video.